What up, y'all? It's CeneciaNyree, and I'm back with another video. Alright, you guys, so in this video I'm going to be cooking some chicken fried rice. Yes. I've learned this recipe a long time ago from my aunt, and then a while ago my favorite YouTubers JuJu and Des, they were cooking this, so I was like, why not? Let me do a little mukbang with the fried rice and talk about my goals. So yes, so I currently already got the rice done. So you want to cook the rice first, and then I got the vegetables, and then I have the eggs, and then I have the chicken that I have to cook still. But yeah, so I just want to talk to you guys about how I finally reached 200 subscribers, and I am super happy, I'm super excited, and I did it in the last 4 weeks. So as long as I keep going at this rate, and then I'll be good. But so thank you to everybody who already subscribed, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn those post notifications on so you can see the next time that I post. But yeah, so I actually have a new intro coming out very soon, you guys. I'm finding a song for it, for the perfect song for you guys, and then I will be posting it when I do my first seafood mukbang by myself. So I'm super excited. But yeah, so the vegetables are done. I'm going to put them on a plate. Papa. Hey, baby. It's okay. I'm cooking the eggs. Like your mom always said, don't be using no fork and spoon, no scraping up her pans. What am I doing? I got it. I'm not going to cook them too much because I don't want them to be all hard when I put it all together. Okay, now it's time for the chicken. Lots of chicken. Yes. Gotta put some seasoning. I'm running out of Johnny's. Alright, so these are the vegetables I use. I just use the pre-mixed vegetable package frozen. And I like to cook them first, thaw them out. And then I cook the eggs. Now I'm cooking the chicken. Alright, so I'll be back when the chicken is almost done, and then when I'm starting to mix everything together. Alright, you guys, so the chicken, the veggies, and the eggs are done. Woo! Yeah. Alright, so now time for the oil.
Few moments later.
Alright, so got the oil. it all together. You can really add as much soy sauce as you want. I don't really like that much in mine, just the right amount. So I'm gonna let it get a little bit brown, and then I'll be right back when it's all done. Alright you guys, so it's all done. Look at that. Super good. But yeah, so I'm going to put down all of the amounts and stuff that I put in this, because it did make a lot. And you've seen that I didn't have a lot of rice, but everything added up makes a lot. But yeah, so I'm going to put exactly the amount that I put in it under in the description. But yeah, so thank you for watching. It's CeneciaNyree, and I'm out this bee. Thanks you guys. Again, thank you for 200 subscribers. Bye.